In today's world, diets are more than just a way to lose weight. They are often lifestyle choices driven by health goals, scientific claims, and even social trends. From ketogenic and paleo to vegan and intermittent fasting, each diet promises unique benefits. But do they truly work? More importantly, are they backed by science, or are they just passing fads? In this video, we'll break down some of the most well-known diets, analyzing their pros and cons based on research and expert insights. 1. The ketogenic diet. Does it really burn fat? The keto diet is one of the most popular diets today, emphasizing high fats, moderate protein, and extremely low carbs. The goal is to push the body into a state called ketosis, where it burns fat instead of carbohydrates for energy. While studies show that keto can promote rapid weight loss and improve blood sugar control, it isn't for everyone. The restrictive nature of the diet can lead to nutrient deficiencies, and long-term adherence may increase the risk of heart disease due to high saturated fat intake. Research also suggests that keto might not be sustainable for most people in the long run, as reintroducing carbs can lead to rebound weight gain. 2. The paleo diet. Is eating like cavemen beneficial? The paleo diet is based on the idea that our ancestors thrived on whole, unprocessed foods like lean meats, fish, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. It eliminates dairy, grains, legumes, and refined sugars, claiming these foods contribute to modern diseases. The good news? Paleo encourages whole food nutrition and eliminates processed junk. However, excluding whole grains and legumes can lead to fiber deficiencies, which are crucial for gut health. Additionally, modern food production is vastly different from that of our ancestors, making it nearly impossible to replicate their exact diet. Studies show that while paleo can help with weight loss and inflammation, it may not be superior to other well-balanced diets. The vegan diet, a nutritional powerhouse or a deficiency trap. The vegan diet eliminates all animal products, focusing on plant-based foods. Scientific evidence overwhelmingly supports plant-based diets for reducing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. A well-balanced vegan diet can be high in fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, making it excellent for long-term health. However, one challenge is the risk of deficiencies in vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are commonly found in animal products. Proper supplementation and a well-planned approach can make veganism a nutritionally sound diet. But for those who struggle with getting enough protein or essential nutrients, it may not be the best fit. 4. The Mediterranean diet, the best of both worlds. Unlike many restrictive diets, the Mediterranean diet emphasizes balance rather than elimination. It includes fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, olive oil, fish, and moderate amounts of dairy and wine. Studies show that this diet is linked to heart health, longevity, and reduced inflammation. Unlike keto or paleo, it does not demonize carbohydrates, allowing for sustainable and enjoyable eating habits. The Mediterranean diet is often ranked as one of the best diets by health experts because it's not about quick fixes. It's a lifestyle that promotes overall well-being. 5. Intermittent fasting. Is timing more important than what you eat? Intermittent fasting, IF, is not about what you eat, but when you eat. Popular methods include the 16.8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window, or the 5.2 method, eating normally 5 days a week and reducing calorie intake for 2 days. IF is backed by research showing it can improve insulin sensitivity, enhance fat loss, and even promote longevity. However, fasting is not for everyone. Those with a history of eating disorders or individuals who struggle with blood sugar fluctuations may find it difficult to sustain. Additionally, some people overeat during their eating windows, negating the benefits. 6. The carnivore diet, a risky experiment? At the other extreme of veganism is the carnivore diet, which eliminates all plant-based foods and focuses exclusively on meat, fish, eggs, and animal fats. Advocates claim it reduces inflammation, improves digestion, and even enhances mental clarity. However, there is very little long-term scientific research supporting these claims. The biggest concern is the complete lack of fiber, which is essential for gut health. Additionally, excessive red meat consumption has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease and colon cancer. While some people report short-term benefits, the long-term effects remain uncertain. 7. Low-carb versus low-fat diets, which is better for weight loss. For decades, the debate between low-carb and low-fat diets has been ongoing. Low-carb diets, such as keto and Atkins, focus on cutting carbohydrates to force the body to burn fat. On the other hand, low-fat diets, which were widely promoted in the past, emphasize reducing dietary fat to prevent weight gain. Research suggests that both can lead to weight loss, but their effectiveness depends on the individual. Some people respond better to low-carb diets, while others do well with low-fat approaches. The key factor is caloric intake and overall diet quality, rather than strict adherence to one philosophy. 8. What science says about long-term success? One of the biggest problems with most diets is sustainability. Studies have shown that over 80% of people who lose weight on restrictive diets regain it within a year. The reason? Extreme dieting often leads to cravings, metabolic adaptation, and psychological stress. Instead of following a short-term diet, research suggests that adopting lifelong healthy eating habits is the best approach. Diets that emphasize whole, unprocessed foods, mindful eating, and balanced macronutrient intake are more likely to lead to lasting success. Conclusion: what's the best diet for you? The reality is, there is no one-size-fits-all diet. The best diet for you depends on your individual health needs, lifestyle, and preferences. Some people thrive on low-carb, while others do better on plant-based diets. The key is listening to your body, making sustainable choices, and prioritizing whole, nutrient-dense foods. Instead of chasing the latest diet trend, focus on balanced nutrition, portion control, and long-term consistency. Ultimately, the best diet is the one you can stick to while feeling healthy, energized, and satisfied. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Optimal Cures and hit the notification bell for more tips on living your healthiest life. Thanks for watching.